Hey, today I'm going to show you how to connect Google Gemini to n8n in under 1 minute. Let's go! Alright, so the first thing you have to do is go to Google Cloud Console and log in. Once you're signed in, click on Select a project and click on New Project. Name it whatever you want. It has to be more than 4 numbers long, so I'm just going to type n8n5 and click on Create. Once your project has been created, go to Google AI Studio and log in. Select the same account as before. And once you're there, go to Get API Key. Click on it and click on Create API Key. Once you're inside of the studio, go to Get API Key and then click on Create API Key. Now you will have to click on the project that you just made. So mine is called n8n5 and click Create API Key in existing project. Once it's done generating, copy the API key and go to your n8n. Then inside of the workflow, make a new node and type Gemini. You can use either of these, Google Gemini or Chat Model. I'm just gonna use Gemini for now, and then you can choose whatever you want. It's important that you select a credential to connect with. Click on Create New Credential. The host will always be this, and the API key, you will just have to replace it with what you just got. Once you save it, you're done. You can now make use of your API key, and you can use either the Gemini 2.5 Pro version or the Flash version, and these are great alternatives to OpenAI if you don't want to spend money. So that was it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please consider subscribing and liking if you enjoyed the video. Bye!